Oh, this child. Look at him. Hey, baby. Wakey, wakey, it's morning. We have to get ready. We have to get up and eat. Mommy needs coffee and we need to dress you up. No? You're like Charlie, you just want to snooze. Yeah, I know. Sweetie, we need to get on with our day. Where is that child again? Karolinka, we need to get ready. What are you doing? What are you up to, you little one? No. No, we can't play hide and seek. What are you doing? No, we need to get ready. Chop, chop. Okay, Karolinka, you finish your little biscuit tea so we can go wash your teeth and we need to get dressed up and leave because Mommy has a busy day today ahead of us. And we need to walk Charlie, of course. Well, hello. Okay. Yeah. Here's your brush. And you don't eat the toothpaste. You're supposed to brush the toothpaste on your teethies. Show the toothbrush. Yeah, there's my girl. Yeah, so now you just brush your little teethies. Just the way Mommy showed you. Okay, you want Mommy to help you? I can do that. Okay.
Mom! Charlie brushes teeth too? Yeah?
Okay. So let's get ready for today. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Okay. Let's get ready and we need to put some clothes on you. I know it's hot, but you can't be walking in your diaper. No, you can't. Okay, big girl, let's get you dressed up. And it's still nice here. I'm going to put a dress on you. You better do not mess it up, okay? Karolinka. And your hair. Look at your hair. Okay. Another hand. Alrighty. Okay, I cut my thumb yesterday, so it's all sore. What's going on there? Alrighty. We had a long day today, so we better move fast. Let's put these cute sandals on you. I don't know if they're going to be suitable for this outfit, but I got them. And it's almost like fall. And I still haven't used them, so we're going to use these little thingies. Doesn't matter. I just want to see how they fit. Okay. Look at you. Every little girl needs to have her hair brushed, baby. And we'll put this. And look at you. You're all ready for a day. Look at aunties and uncles there. Hi.
Mom, Karolinka big girl. Karolinka brush hair. Yeah?
Okay, guys. So this has been a little short roleplay attempt on a little morning of baby Karolinka, and please excuse funkiness. I've never did this before, actually. I don't do a lot of roleplay on my channel, but I just wanted to do something fun with her because I can't really change her and do any topic videos or chat because she's really big. Well, she's not a real toddler, as I said, but you know, I've had some issues with my neck in the past few weeks, so it took me forever to get this video ready.